All right, I'm gonna just have him shave this little hump right here off. You know, the ground drops off, so we're gonna make a little more on this ridge top. I mean, this blind was actually in the woods, so the original size was about to that oak tree that he left, and then over to my watering hole. Big ol' owl, beautiful. All right, looks like he finished plot number 1. And now he's gonna head all the way to the back for second one. All right, we'll take a look at this one from the ground. It looks beautiful. I mean, yeah, it's a mess because I got cleanup work, but other than that, it looks beautiful. I mean, really beautiful. Definitely gonna help sell this property, especially if I can get it cleaned up. I'll have it ready for seed, you know, by spring. Can't really grow much right now anyways. I mean, you might be able to get wheat to grow or something, maybe, because we're in the 50s all week. But usually come January, that's when we get about 10 degrees cooler yet. So, well, that's pretty. And he left the big oaks that were kind of hanging around. I said, yeah, you can leave a few of them. They ain't gonna hurt nothing in a food plot this size. Good range markers too. This is probably every bit of an acre. Maybe a little more. I got a water hole video. I put a camera on one of the water holes just to show how much the deer use it. Like a bull in a china shop. He's bumping every tree in front and back. Show them around in there. All right, now we're on the south perimeter. It's very narrow. I'm gonna walk Jim Bob down to the next spot. He's probably gonna be out of fuel, so we're gonna have to refuel. He's gonna have to track it all the way back. Hopefully we don't meet Curtis. He's doing a showing because this is a narrow road. But that's all right. The bulldozer's always going to win. Crunch and munch. All right, these next few clips will just kind of give you an idea on how long this trek was with that dozer. He's got a 12-foot wide blade, and he had to, clear spots for himself just to get through along the way.